Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to set up your own custom strategy. This mode is designed for expert traders who want full control over every parameter. Step 1. Basic Setup. First, select your direction, long, short, or hedging, and set your leverage, for example, 10 times. Unlike preset modes, here you have the freedom to adjust risk to your liking. Step 2. Indicator Signals. You can toggle on MACD, EMA, and RSI signals to filter your entries. For MACD and RSI, choose your time frame, 5, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. For EMA, you can select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. Step 3. RSI Limits. If you enable RSI, you must set the boundaries. For example, set upper limit to 70 and lower limit to 30. The bot will only trade when these conditions are met. Step 4. Position Sizing. Enter your first order amount, margin. You can also enable double FO to open the first trade with double size for a stronger initial position. Step 5. Unlock DCA. To access advanced settings, you must first set the DCA count, for example, 4 rounds. This unlocks the detailed menu below. Step 6. DCA Settings. Click into DCA Settings. Choose your method, average price, or last order DCA. You can also enable a trend time frame to ensure the bot only buys the dip when the trend aligns. Step 7. Advanced DCA Parameters. Click the orange Settings button. Here you can define the price fluctuation ratio, multiplier, and trailing percentage globally for all rounds. Step 8. Manual Configuration, or configure each round manually. For example, set the first round to drop 2% with a 1.5 times multiplier. You can even force EMA or MACD confirmation for specific DCA rounds. Click Confirm to save. Step 9. Take Profit Method. Back on the main page, choose your TP method. Full Position TP clears everything. Last Order TP, scalping. Or First and Last Order TP. Step 10. Partial TP. You can also set partial position TP rates. Just like DCA, you can set specific rounds to take profit early, securing gains along the way. Step 11. Global Exit Settings. Now, set your main take-profit ratio, for example, 1.5%, and the trailing percentage, for example, 0.3%, to maximize profits during a pump. Step 12. Risk Control. Enable risk control to limit maximum drawdown. Select a ratio, like 5%, 10%, or set a custom percentage to automatically stop the bot if losses exceed your limit. Step 13. Limit Price Entry. Want to enter at a specific price? Turn on Enable Limit Price Orders and set your target price, for example, long limit price. The bot will wait for this price before starting. Step 14. TP and SL. You can set a strategy take profit and stop loss. These can be triggered by a fixed amount, price limit, or investment ratio. Step 15. Strategy Type. Choose your loop. Cycle. The bot restarts immediately after selling. Single. The bot stops after one full cycle. Sniper mode. Step 16. Buddy Guard. Finally, enable Buddy Guard. Set a trigger threshold, for example, 20% drop, and duration. If the market crashes fast, the bot pauses to protect you from buying a falling knife. Step 17. Launch. Double-check all your parameters. Once ready, click Save. Your expert strategy is now live and executing your exact rules. That covers every inch of the custom strategy setup. Next, we will show you how to read your bot reports to track your success. See you there.